Significant figures ki textbook definition na koi kamaina hai hana yengsi. In a measured quantity, significant figures are the digits which are absolutely correct plus the first uncertain digit in hai. Now kari hai no the yengsi ko. Let's say madu gyan tana phonam tai ruler ma se law reba. Ai gi ruler se magi smallest division se 1 centimeter ngatani ko. These are all 1 centimeter si mayam se. So the least count is 1 centimeter. Least count ki video yening ngana mamang di yengo. Sigi mamang na thagat ki bani. So sigi ruler se siznaraga nangna lengam oleba se sidagi horaga somewhere swaida hire se. Now si kaya hai do no ito ko. Let's say 0 mark is an hai lower si. Sigi value se kaya hai ni. 5t hele koi khange. For sure 5t over khange. तो 5 का 6 की मरक ले रहे 5.5 ओइदरा 5.4 ओइदरा नंग हेगे यंग से 5.4 माले है से 5.4 न हाइजल ले कना गुम हमना मसी 5 पॉइंट अस 4 जो मान दे 5.3 न हेक पे है एस्टिमेट तोर का हाइदनी गेस तोर को अदना सिगी 5.4 हाइ बसिदा 5 सिदी कोई सोइदरे कोई खंगे बा अदना सर्टेन डिजिट हाइ तारगदी 5 सने डिजिट अनि लेबसिदा को sungsoi soidana 5 ti koi hele yore khange dana. So these are the certain oiba digit moiba ni sne ba phare aduga sigi 4 se doubtful oiba because koi khangde ba koi gi measurements ni pi bangam da bani na doubtful oiba ma se. In other words masi koi kawi uncertain haina ju khangne ba hai bangam da bani uncertain hai di koi gyan ta dri ba. So 6 sidana 3 se doubtful natraga uncertain ori ba को अदुना significant figure हाइ दो से कइनो हाइदि कोइ 5 का 6 की मरक ले दिखांगे 5.4 और 5.3 और 5.5 को हाइ बंगम दबनि ना एस्टिमेट तोरगा सिगी डिजिट अनि सिदा हाइ ने 4 का 3 से नता अदुना सोइद्रे हाइ बसिना सिगी ममांग द लेबा 5 से ने अदुना सिदा significant figure की definition दि मतुंग इन हाइ से कइनो number of certain ओइब डिजिट तो क्या ले certain digit सिदा क्या ले अमा ले कोइ के 5 से अदुगा uncertain दुगा plus 1 uncertain digit amaga hapsal hoiba sida uncertain digit kya le sigi number sida 4 jani ko 1 uncertain digit adu itaragadi how many significant figures are here sigi number 5.4 haib sida certain oiba am lere uncertain oiba amaga hapsal ho tare there are two significant figures based on that definition there are two significant figures mane samne rege significant figures sida sa mane 5.3 है sida 5 से certain ni 3 से uncertain ni the definition क्या है certain digit ने plus 1 uncertain digit uncertain तो sida 3 से ni नत्रा so 1 certain digit plus 1 uncertain digit क्या तरह there are two significant figures same example sida करीगु मसी की मतलब से कौसी में हमसे और मतलब तभी मसी कितने थांगल थम से है बस somewhere so आई हिता ऐसे लसे I don't know. If kay gumasigi length se C rom taragadi. Si 11 point kya hai do no ito. 11 di hele koi khange. 11 di hele 11.5 hai dira 11.4 hai dira koi khang deba. 11.5 hai be yaw ni 4 hai be yaw ni. Ata di uncertain se kana tare si uncertain tare ba. 11 di sure koi hele khanga brina. 11 hai ba. Sidi certain neba. So how many certain digits are here? Sina certain do niko. Sure or abdo. Absolutely correct. Hai do many definition the C niko. So certain do na ni se. Uncertain do na 4 ziko 5 se. So based on that 11 se na certain digit ni 4 go 5 se na uncertain digit ni. So definition ke hai number of certain digits plus one uncertain digit. Certain no digit kya yaure sida. Ani yaure. Sigi number sida. 11 की 1 ani se ko these are so there are two certain digits here plus one uncertain digit so how many significant figures 3 significant figures hai ni likewise there are two certain digits adi 1 amaga 11 se ko so two certain digits plus one uncertain digit hai 5 se uncertain digit se adu pulo kya tare there are three significant figures man hai di ne my definition di matung ina ko now uncertain hari se kitang kuptha namu yengba yari मधुगी concept तो लौनु होन let's look at something को सिनी खलसे को असिगी आइगी ruler से सुमाइन लेनी खलसे सिदा आई let me draw a line segment नम ये के अदुगा सिगी लेग से क्या हाई दोने दो 0 दे हावे खलसे somewhere here साइ थमगे सुमाइन थमिंग आई ददी नंग सिगी value से क्या हाई दोनो थे गेंग बता 3 का 4 की मरक तदी लई 3 का 4 की मरक तदी लई ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ 3ꯗꯤ 3 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ 3ꯒ 4ꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ 3.5 ꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯦꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ 5 ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ 3 ꯅ ꯁꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ significant figure kya lere 2 significant figure list count kya ore for those who know list count among video di yungun khangragadi 0.1 tare ko anyway madu yam kana haijalugumse so there are two significant figures here but what if you zoom in nang sigi 5 se uncertain ni ko kadobagi uncertain hai no ido kaigino masi 5 oibro oidabro koi khangdeba oibri hingse exactly 0.5 ta loibri hingse male sibukti male ko 3.5 okay it looks like now decimal digi kani kupthan on olaga yengse let's go try to find two places after decimal okay I'm zooming even further okay now if you look at this kitum yengo ko kadobagi uncertain high no 5 here is your 3.5 right 3.5 to sidale re ko the it looks like 3.5 to the deba more than so it is more than 3.5 slightly simatic se hendro aduga less than 3.52 aduna let's assume it's 3.5 I don't know I khang de ko 3.5 1 I khang de assume to estimate to ni ko se adu itaragadi it's for sure 3.5 adu this part is uncertain I'm assuming li khang da brina so how many significant figures here two certain digit plus one uncertain digit there are three significant figures higher than in this case pare let's say nangi device say let's say you can your device can find very precisely yam kopna on bangame harasi amuk zoom toroga yengse ko tagi amuk zoom tore okay you're going three places after decimal yengo I thought it's 3.5 oiramdre this was uncertain I thought it's 3.51 this was uncertain oibra oiramdre it's even already kya orame 3.505 moirame yeah right say now in this case I hope aside yam kupthana let's not go too deep madu ka suta kata de koi haining pot no gyan ta honase so the 3.50 is sure orapani sina uncertain ore sidana uncertain this is uncertain here 3.05 is uncertain 3.05 haven't sigi 5 say uncertain ore so how many significant figures two sida see certain these two are certain see numbers sidana here three significant figures these three are certain here four significant figures certain digit plus one uncertain digit have natro yare ko aduna kaigino koina ngasai hek hobda 3.5 ta 5 se uncertain oi hai do kupthari yengda si oi lerame adu kupthari yeng si oi lerame adu gini uncertain gi room amu gani piri se ko I hope you get the idea ko aduna okay that's the concept of certain uncertain and list count ki concept let's not get into it ko mamanga dum yengo adum hapet hairam je haragana ko hazik 3.505 sida what is the list count 0.001 oiduni khangu ko now the more precisely hadinang decimal point gi matung da if you can go three places after decimal you'll have more significant figures in your number and the more precise you get kuppa helani at the same time you'll get nearer to the true value nang na pami ba exactness to oibe henjaleba the answer will become more precise more exact more near to the value ko or po helakani and you'll have more significant figures obviously yai ko so I hope a certain uncertain ki concept se gyan ta ene khale ko with that in mind okay let's go back ko now let's significant figure gi rules khara yengase we'll do that now ko significant figures ki rule da rule number 1 hai ase first rule da na any non zero digit ko non-zero digit मुझे significant count taweba hybrid nang na measurement am all ure you get 158 so how many significant figures are here you get three significant figures na harani ko any non-zero digit point yours kai de decimal yours 1.58 haraka so here we count any non-zero digit bu yaw taragadi we count that as significant figures so three significant figures na haigani basida ko rule number 2 da na any zero that lies in between non-zero digit 1 0 3 hariseba zero se mark ta leibse zero in between non-zero digits are significant decimal yaur su kaite point yaur su kaite doesn't matter. So there are three significant figures here. There are three significant figures here. Point yaugera zero in between significant, non-zero digit significant. Then number 3 na rule number 3 da trailing zeros 2 5 0 0 has trailing zero है दी ending zeros 0 to the right of a non-zero digit. Maning the label zero ko. Moi say decimal yaw tragati we don't count them as significant. Sig zero ni se koi count tok deba. So how many significant figures are here? There are only 2 significant figures. But if decimal yaw taragati, maybe something like this, or something like this. See what it is, or something like this. Decimal we had uraba. Trailing zero hai di kaino non-zero digit amgi right of the maning of the label. Moi se koina decimal bu yaw taragati we count them as significant. Sig zero this is significant. All the zeros here are significant. These are all significant. Aduna with these two kya tare? There are in all the cases 4 significant figure tare. Zero maning the label se decimal yaw taragati a significant count the web. That's rule number 3. Here go. Whereas zero leading zeros and high season 0.0012 or 0012. Any zeros to the left of a non-zero digit. Madu leading zero high non-zero digit amagi left from home the labels. There go. We count them as leading zeros. So here leading zeros is significant. These are not significant. Point yaugera. So there are 2 significant figures, 2 significant figures, 2 significant figures, 2 significant figures. Kangani ko. So kaino hari se first non-zero digit significant point yaugera 0 in between point yaugera any 0 in between significant. Aduga 0 to the right trailing 0 decimal yaw taragadi not significant. So there are 2 significant figures here. Decimal bu yaw taragadi lead trailing zeros. Trailing zero is a non-zero digit amgi som side like the right side of the ko madukun trailing zero or ending zeros high most significant and count to zeros into. So there are 4 significant figures here. But leading zeros mamang the label zeros in point yaugera decimal yaugera with or without decimal they are not significant. Similar. Then rule number 5 rule 5 scientific notation. First scientific notation se kaino khangbam jange yare ko any number ama 2.52 into 10 power minus something minus 4 this is called scientific notation. Decimal ki mamang da non-zero digit amagak legedaba haibadi this is not scientific notation plus power because there should be only one digit before the decimal, but the digit should not be 0 the order. So this is not significant. Scientific, this number is not scientific, this is scientific. So you should know how to convert any number into scientific form. Haibadi number amay nasik 5 higher comes 128 4.52 has convert this into scientific high taragadi. Now there should be only one digit before the decimal digit kyale mari like this is not scientific. So let's move the decimal decimal se lieng ase sidaina se buk lieng se here so that point mamang digit amaka laina. Now I'll write this number as 1.28452 niraga. How many digits are you moving to the left the digit kyale ahum lieng bagi 10 ki power do number of digit to never power do left length taragati 10 ki power to plus right length 10 ki power to minus height. So this is scientific now. There is only one digit before the decimal and it's a non-zero digit. This is scientific now. What if you move 0.0008 0.00528 has it. Now this is scientific so let's move this decimal here. 5.28 how many digits are you moving to the right? 3 digits, so 10 power 3 hai kya lengi ahum lengi adu 10 power 3 already sign di right length taragadi the 10 power will be negative 10 power minus 3. Now this is scientific. Now this is scientific, this is scientific. So in scientific notation we don't look at the 10 powers to count the significant figures, we just look at the number. So in this number significant figure kya lai 1 2 3 all non-zero digit. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 significant figure sidana kya lai you have 3 significant figures. Or in this number I am pirake 2.01 into 10 power minus let's wrap up here. So into 10 power minus 4 5 hajelas pangai hajelas ko 0 hajib. Now you nang ngasai pan giba rule 4 rule mari mak to you can apply all the rules that hajik tam kibido. So any zero in between significant, trailing zeros significant, non-zero digit significant. So all of these are significant. Same rule to apply to be. Don't look at the 10 powers. 10 power to 500 oigera plus 500 oigera. It doesn't matter. Among the label digit to scientific notation the converter matungda. After you convert the number into scientific notation, just look at that number, not the powers of 10. The taragadi 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 significant figures. I hope you get the idea. Eko sigi rule jibu han khangsi. Next we'll go for rounding off. Rounding off se koi kamai na tame do koi yeng si ko. I hope you get the idea so far. Ko sibu khana tarasi, and I'll see you in the next video.